Save this video right now because this Mother's Day anchoring script is not just another ordinary script. This script is packed with beautifully designed, heart-touching anchoring lines. And trust me, the opening lines in this script are specially written to create emotion, smiles, goosebumps, and that mother-focused feeling lines right from the beginning of the program. In this video, you are going to see unique welcome and introduction lines, stylish post-presentation ideas, deep mother sentiment opening lines, and emotionally engaging anchoring content designed especially for Mother's Day program. So if you really want your anchoring to sound memorable, emotional, and different from everyone else's, then this script is exactly for you. Now let's begin the beautiful Mother's Day special anchoring script. Welcome to our channel Right for You. Your perfect find for anchoring related scripts and morning assembly scripts and other academic writing discourses. Okay, let's get into the main script now. I'll read the first paragraph. Good morning everyone. But honestly, good feels like too small a word for a day like today. This is a blessed morning, a grateful morning, a morning that belongs to the most important person who has ever walked into your life. Okay, before proceeding into this video, let me ask you one personally connecting question. That is, which is your first word when you were a baby? Ask your mom and do comment. A. Mama, B. Papa, C. Any other word. Okay, back to the anchoring script. Please observe from here. So, let me say it the way it deserves to be said. A very warm, very emotional, and very deep, heartfelt welcome to each and everyone, and to every mother sitting in this room today. We wish her the one thing she has always wished for us: happiness. Before proceeding to the further script, let me tell you one thing clearly. This video script only covers the starting, that is up to welcome address only. So the remaining full script up to vote of thanks is provided in our website with bonus script and excellent, very useful tips. See the pinned comment for the website link. Back to the anchoring script, let's read out these lines. Happy Mother's Day to the first heartbeat we ever heard, to the first hand that ever held us, to the one person who loved us before we even had a name. Happy Mother's Day on behalf of every heart you ever loved. Ma, happy Mother's Day, Ma. If you are watching this video till now, I know you surely liked the content and you surely love the way how I present the anchoring script. So my sincere request with you is please do a like. Your one like will push my video to reach more people. Your like is really a great motivation for me to make more such useful anchoring and very useful other content. Back to the anchoring script. You know, the first paragraph here is about anchor's introduction. Please observe carefully. My name is your name, and it is my greatest honor to stand before you as your beloved host of today's celebration. And this program, this is not an event. This is not a performance. This is a letter written in music, in words, in emotions. Back to the anchoring script. Please observe this carefully. Address it to the one person who never needed a reason to love us, but gave us every reason to become who we are. This is our thank you. Not enough, never enough, but today, with everything we have, truly, deeply meant, let's begin today's program. Let's pause for a second because I'm going to recommend you these customized LED lamp Mother's Day gifts. Genuinely, and it is purely non-sponsored products. These are not just customized lamps. Look at these gifts carefully. These are memories, glowing in the dark. Imagine your mother seeing her favorite photo, her children, her happiest moments lighting up right beside her every single night. Every single piece feels handmade with love. And the best part is, whenever she switches on that light, she'll remember you. Not because the gift is expensive, but because it carries emotions she'll never forget. So, if you truly want your Mother's Day gift to feel personal, meaningful, and unforgettable, these customized gift ideas are genuinely some of the best finds. Check them out. I have tagged these products. Please check the tagged products, most high rated and best seller products only, because mothers deserve gifts that speak love without saying a word. Please do check the tagged products now. So here comes the final paper presentation of this video's complete written content, showing you entire clear pages. If you want, you can take the screenshots. Finally, my sincere request with you is, please do like this video for my efforts to bring this kind of contents up to you. And if you like and share this video, it will be a really great motivation for me to make more super useful content videos. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit that bell button to get notified of our new video uploads. Thank you for watching. Till then, stay focused and